Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Upstart, one of the most popular online lending platforms. And if you're looking to apply for a personal loan but don't know where to start, this video is for you. I'll walk you through how to create an Upstart account step by step. And yeah, so let's get started. Now, first thing you gotta do is to head over to Upstart's website. It's right there on the screen. Just head up to the website, and you'll see the home page which highlights Upstart's lending options. So to begin, just click the check your rate or the sign in button that's at the top corner of the screen. Next step is the Upstart registration page. So next you'll land on the registration page, and here you're going to need to provide some basic information, including your email address, a strong password, and also your first and last name. Now once you fill that out, just click create account, and Upstart will send a verification email to confirm your registration. That's the next step, is email verification setup. So now check your inbox for an email from Upstart, open it, and then click the verification link. Now this step is crucial because you won't be able to proceed without verifying your email. Next up is once your email is verified, Upstart is going to ask for some personal details to determine your eligibility. So you're going to need to enter your date of birth, your phone number, as well as your residential address. So make sure all the information is accurate to avoid any issues during the application process. Once that's done, next Upstart is going to ask about your employment status, so your employment and income details. They're going to use this data to assess your ability to repay the loan, and you're going to need to enter your current job title and employer, as well as your annual income and any other additional income sources, although this is optional. But be honest here, because Upstart may request documents to verify your income later in the process. Next, now Upstart is going to ask you how much you would like to borrow, as well as the purpose of your loan. Now options include debt consolidation, home improvements, medical expenses, and many more. So after selecting your loan purpose, Upstart will perform a soft credit check to determine your eligibility, but don't worry, this won't affect your actual credit score. Once Upstart completes its review, you'll see your personalized loan offers. So pay close attention to the interest rates, the monthly payments, and loan terms before proceeding. And if you're happy with the offer, you can move on to the full application. And yeah, that's it. You've successfully created your Upstart account and taken your first step towards your first loan. So in our next video, I'm going to show you how to complete your loan application, as well as to upload your documents. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next episode in our Upstart series. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.